Have you ever felt like your dreams were just out of reach? Like an invisible barrier stood between you and your aspirations? You work hard, but the results just don't seem to come. We often search for answers outside of ourselves, blaming circumstances, luck, or other people for our perceived failures. But the truth is, the most important journey we will ever take is the journey inward. It's about understanding our own minds, beliefs, and self-worth. This journey isn't about changing who you are, but rather uncovering the best version of yourself. It's about peeling back the layers of self-doubt, limiting beliefs, and negative self-talk that have been holding you back. You are a magnificent, powerful being, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You have the power to choose a different narrative, one filled with self-love, belief, and unwavering faith in your own potential. Our beliefs about ourselves are like a mirror, reflecting back to us the image we hold within. If we see ourselves as unworthy, incapable, or lacking, that's precisely what the world will reflect back to us. We attract what we believe we deserve. Building self-worth is an inside-out job. Our beliefs are not set in stone. They are simply thoughts that we've repeated to ourselves so often that they've become ingrained in our subconscious mind. The good news is, we have the power to change our thoughts, and in doing so, we can change our beliefs and ultimately, our reality. Reframing is a powerful tool for transforming limiting beliefs. One of the biggest obstacles to achieving our goals is the feeling that we're not there yet. We focus on the gap between where we are now and where we want to be, and that gap can feel overwhelming. But what if we were to embrace the power of yet? What if, instead of seeing yet as a measure of our shortcomings, we saw it as an invitation to grow? When we add yet to our vocabulary, we shift our perspective from one of lack to one of possibility. Imagine your life as a garden. You are the gardener, and your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are the seeds you plant. The people you surround yourself with are like the soil, water, and sunshine that nourish your growth. Surrounding yourself with positive influences doesn't mean cutting off everyone who isn't perfectly aligned with your goals. Have you ever noticed how spending time with certain people leaves you feeling energized, inspired, and full of hope? We are all energetic beings, constantly emitting and absorbing vibrations. When we surround ourselves with people who vibrate at a high frequency, people who are positive, supportive, and encouraging, we naturally raise our own vibration. Seek out relationships that nourish your soul, inspire your heart, and support your growth. Creating a supportive and nurturing environment for yourself also means setting healthy boundaries. This can be a challenge, especially for those of us who are natural givers or who have a hard time saying no. But remember, saying no to what drains you allows you to say yes to what truly lights you up. It's about honoring your own needs and creating space for the people and activities that bring you joy and support your growth. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to get caught up in the external world. The demands of work, the endless to-do list, the constant stream of information vying for our attention. But amidst the chaos, there's a precious gift we often overlook, the gift of time. Dedicating time to personal growth and self-improvement isn't selfish. It's an investment in ourselves, in our well-being, and in our ability to show up in the world as our best selves. The more we invest in ourselves, the more we have to offer the world. Imagine your inner world as a garden. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are like the seeds you plant. Experiences, people, and information are like sunlight, water, and nutrients. Tend to your inner landscape with care, weeding out unwanted thoughts. Become aware of the thoughts and emotions taking root within you. Identify and release negative patterns and beliefs. Inner gardening takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Cultivate your inner landscape with love and care. Self-discovery is a journey of uncovering hidden treasures within ourselves, our passions, purpose, and unique gifts. It's about peeling back layers of conditioning and limiting beliefs that obscure our true nature, reconnecting with our authentic selves and embracing who we are meant to be. This journey is like alchemy, transforming base metals into gold. We undergo transformation, shedding old patterns and revealing our true selves. This process isn't always easy or comfortable. It requires confronting our shadows and stepping outside our comfort zones. Within this transformation lies the potential for profound growth and liberation. Remember, self-discovery is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace the journey with courage, curiosity, and an open heart. We often hear about the importance of positive thinking, but true success goes beyond mere optimism. It delves into the realm of deep-seated belief. It's about shifting from, "I hope this works," to an unwavering conviction that it is already done. Think about a time when you were absolutely certain about something, whether it was acing an exam you studied for or catching a ball thrown your way. Your belief influenced your actions and the outcome. When we truly believe, we align with its energy, creating a magnetic force. This belief isn't about denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about recognizing our power to choose our perspective. Focus on possibilities, not limitations. Trust that the universe is conspiring in our favor. Manifesting our dreams isn't about wishing upon a star or hoping that some external force will magically grant us our desires. It's about aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the energy of what we desire to create. It's about becoming a vibrational match for our dreams and allowing the universe to orchestrate the details. Think of it like this. Our thoughts and emotions emit a specific frequency into the universe, like a radio signal. When we focus on what we want, feeling the joy, gratitude, and excitement of already having it, we send out a clear signal that attracts experiences, people, and opportunities aligned with that frequency. This process of manifestation begins with setting clear intentions. What do you truly desire to experience in your life? Be specific. Write down your goals in detail and visualize them as if they are already happening. The more clarity you have about what you want, the stronger your signal to the universe. Intention without action is just a wish. Once you've set your intentions, take inspired action towards your goals, even if it's just small steps each day. Trust your intuition, follow your excitement, and be open to receiving guidance and support from unexpected sources. Remember, the universe works in mysterious ways. Things may not always unfold exactly as we planned, but if we trust in the process, surrender to the journey, and maintain a positive and receptive mindset, we open ourselves up to receiving miracles. In our pursuit of goals and dreams, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of the destination. But what if the true key to happiness lies in embracing the journey itself? The present moment is all we truly have. The past is gone, the future is uncertain, but right here, right now, we can experience joy and peace. Appreciate the beauty of the present moment and free yourself from worry and anxiety. Practice mindfulness throughout your day. Engage fully in the activities you're doing, whether it's cooking a meal or taking a walk. Remember, the present moment is a gift. Imagine stepping into a time machine, fast-forwarding to a point where you've already achieved your biggest goals. What does your life look like? How do you feel? What are you doing? Now bring that vision to life, not in some distant future, but in the present moment. Living as if your goals are already achieved isn't about denying the present reality or pretending that you don't have work to do. It's about aligning your energy, your actions, and your entire being with the frequency of your desires. It's about embodying the essence of your future self, today. Think about the person you would be if you had already accomplished everything you set your heart on. Would you wake up earlier with a sense of purpose and excitement for the day ahead? Would you prioritize your health, nourishing your body with nutritious foods, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and vitality? Would you approach your work with passion, dedication, and an unwavering belief in your abilities? Start by identifying small, tangible ways you can embody your future self in your everyday life. Perhaps it's setting your alarm 15 minutes earlier to enjoy a quiet moment of reflection or meditation. Maybe it's incorporating a new healthy habit into your routine, or making a conscious effort to approach your work with greater focus and intention. Our feelings are powerful indicators of our energetic alignment. When we focus on the feeling of already having achieved our goals, we begin to vibrate at the same frequency as our desires, magnetically attracting them into our reality. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize yourself having already accomplished your biggest goal. Feel the surge of joy, the overwhelming sense of gratitude, the deep satisfaction of knowing you've made your dream a reality. Hold on to that feeling, let it wash over you, and allow it to permeate every cell of your being. This isn't about pretending that everything is perfect or denying any challenges you may be facing. It's about consciously choosing to focus on the positive, to feel the joy of accomplishment now, even as you're still on the journey. Incorporate this practice into your daily life. Create a gratitude journal. Write down your goals as if they've already been achieved, or simply take a few moments each day to visualize yourself living your dream life. The more you can embody the feeling of accomplishment, the more you align yourself with its manifestation in your physical reality. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations we can emit. When we approach life with a grateful heart, we acknowledge the abundance already present in our lives, creating a space for even more blessings to flow in. Gratitude isn't about ignoring challenges or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about choosing to focus on the good, to appreciate the small things, and to find joy in the present moment. It's about recognizing that even in the midst of difficulties, there's always something to be grateful for. Start each day by expressing gratitude for the simple things: the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of bird song, the love of family and friends, the roof over your head, the food on your table. As you move through your day, look for opportunities to express gratitude for the experiences, encounters, and even the challenges that come your way. When we approach life with a grateful heart, we open ourselves up to receiving even more abundance. We attract positive experiences, loving relationships, and synchronicities that support our growth and well-being. Gratitude is a magnet for miracles. Remember that garden we talked about? The one where you plant seeds of intention and nurture them with belief? Success is not just about the harvest, but about tending to each sprout, each blossom along the way. We often get so caught up in chasing the finish line that we forget to appreciate the beauty of the journey itself. Take a moment to acknowledge how far you've come. Celebrate the small victories, the moments of growth, the times you pushed past fear and doubt. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a testament to your strength, your resilience, and your unwavering commitment to your dreams. You are a masterpiece in progress, constantly evolving, expanding, and becoming more of who you are meant to be. Remember, life isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about embracing the ups and downs, the twists and turns, and finding joy in the journey itself. It's about savoring the simple pleasures, cherishing the connections, and appreciating the beauty that surrounds you each and every day. Life is a dance, my friends, not a race to the finish line. So put on your dancing shoes, step onto the dance floor of life, and twirl with abandon. Embrace the rhythm, flow with the music, and celebrate every single step of the way. You are worthy, my friends, worthy of love, worthy of abundance, worthy of living a life that lights you up from the inside out. It's time to step into your power, to embrace your brilliance, and to create a life that is a true reflection of your authentic self. The universe is conspiring in your favor, even when you can't see the full picture. Trust in the timing of your life, believe in the beauty of your dreams, and never, ever give up on yourself. So go out there and make your mark on the world. Shine your light brightly, share your gifts generously, and never be afraid to dream big, my friends, because the world needs your magic. The world needs your light. The world needs you. Now go out there and make it happen. Your dreams await.